Today we're going to tell you about the tour we took our 4th day in Alaska and why we chose that specific tour. We chose the Magic Spencer Double because we could fit 4 experiences into just one day. The famous Alaska Railroad, kayaking, hiking, and rafting. We got to the train station in Anchorage at 6 a.m. to pick up our tickets for the 6:45 a.m. departure of the Coastal Classic. The train ride was just long enough for us to eat breakfast before arriving at the whistle stop.
A whistle stop is a stopping point where a train only stops upon request. The tour company built this stop because there is no other way to reach this area besides helicopter.
The guides used a repurposed school bus to take us the 1.5 miles from the whistle stop to Spencer Lake. They efficiently got us outfitted with our skirts, life jackets, paddles, pogies, and of course, kayaks. When we took off from the beach, Spencer Glacier seemed so close, but it was actually about 2 miles away. With the strong headwind, it took us about an hour to paddle across. Although, I think switching the camera angles might have slowed us down a bit too. The guides helped us ashore and secured the kayaks before we started the easy 1/4 mile hike up to the glacier viewpoint.
Spencer Glacier was named by President Ulysses S. Grant in 1909 for Herbert Spencer, who fell into a crevasse of the glacier in 1906, and his body was never recovered.
Everyone got a turn to take photos in this magical place. To get a good jump shot, take a video of the jump, then find your favorite frame and take a screenshot of that. We walked the 1/4 mile back to the kayaks, geared up, and got pushed off by one of the guides. About halfway back, we got to paddle beside the most unique iceberg while being filmed by one of the guides. This put us in a more technical spot, so we were instructed to follow the guide's line until we reached the safety of the beach. We had a break for lunch before moving on to the rafting portion of our tour.
Our guide Brooke paddled us to an iceberg so we could get up close and personal with them. Then he spun us around for a family picture with the glacier in the background. Brooke then guided us through several icebergs to get us to the Placer River.
We floated 7 miles down the Placer River. Brooke got us to the whistle stop the same time the train was coming in. The current is really strong at the extraction point, making it very challenging for the guides. Lucky for us, Brooke is a pro. Then back to Anchorage, ending this magical tour.
All right, everybody, stay tuned for our next installment next Saturday of this Alaska mini-series. And please don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button.